A few years ago, I would have ended this lecture with a very simple line. Now, spend 3 to 6 months building. Today, the situation is very different. In many cases, you can get to a working prototype in a few hours using AI and no-code tools. So let's break it into a 2-hour MVP sprint. Hour one is all about function. You build the core mechanic, the thing your product actually does. That might mean a basic flow where a user can create something, view it, update it, or delete it. Let the user do the one thing they came here to do. Our two, make it usable. Add a basic interface, nothing fancy, just enough for a real person to use it. Then add simple validation. That means if someone clicks the wrong thing or skips a step, it doesn't break. If they forget to fill in a required field, show a message. If they upload something that is too large, block it. Follow a few simple rules for this sprint. No styling work until the core function does what it should. No features beyond the core value proposition. When you get stuck, ask, is this essential for proving core value? If the answer is weak, you can skip it for now. AI can carry a lot of weight and save time. That doesn't mean you step away and let it run. You are still the creator. But now, with the right plan, the right questions, and the right use of AI, you can move faster with less effort. Here is how I would put it to work. First, ask AI for starter templates, flows, and layouts that match your use case. Use AI to test your messaging. Prompt it to rewrite your value proposition in different tones or for different user types and see what sticks. Then let it handle code and build your landing page or app. Also, use AI to create realistic placeholder content. Things like button labels, onboarding text, emails, and anything that cold seed data. Enough to show how things work without relying on real users to fill it in. If you are opening up a waitlist or doing early outreach, draft your emails with AI. And finally, when something breaks, ask AI to help with debugging. Just copy the error and the file, hand it to the assistant and ask, what is the simplest fix? Here are some tools I recommend founders at this stage. Perplexity. Great when you need fast, structured research. Zencoder. Real-time code generation. Fibery. Perfect for shaping ideas, quick prototyping, and managing messy workflows. Tascade lets you build applications and websites with AI helping in the background. Lovable helps you spin up UI components quickly. Miro, for sure, amazing for ideation and product creation, especially when you are working with a team. And that includes your AI teammates too. Use it for mapping flows, shared thinking, and all kinds of structured documents. Evolve. If you are onboarding a team or training people, this is worth checking out. Falwa, a great tool for easy graphics creation. None of these are magic, but used together, they can turn weeks of work into just a few focused hours. I want to leave you with one final thought. Always keep the MVP target in front of you. Launch quickly, even if the product feels rough, so you can start the cycle of building, measuring, and learning right away. Don't get stuck in polishing. Ship, observe, and adjust. All right, let's quickly step back and look at what you've done so far. Day one. you choose a focus idea. Day 2, you turned conversations with potential customers into business model canvas. Day 3, you learned how to turn that model into a minimal, measurable product. Right now, you have a clear view of MVP and the one feature that really must work. A way to scope your MVP as an experiment instead of trying to simulate a whole company. A metric sheet with one key metric and a few supported ones. An execution roadmap. And finally, a toolbox of AI-powered prototyping options that help you move fast. This is already a very strong foundation for serious product work. To wrap up this day, here's the mindset to carry forward. Lack of focus is the main cause of failure, even for strong teams with excellent technologies and a lot of experience. Day 3 is one more step away from this trap. You are no longer in the mode of working on an idea. You are designing a focused product experiment with clear metrics and a concrete plan. During the next lecture, we will take this MVP and talk about how to put it in front of real customers through one focused channel. For now, finish your MVP specification, your metrics sheet, and your roadmap. This is the path from idea to model, and from model to something real that people can actually use. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.